Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas number 8. So we have a new video for today. In this video is we are going to review Ironeda Concealer. So kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So, welcome to Vlogmas number 8. So we are going to review this affordable concealer by Ironeda. So I got two shades, peach. So I'm gonna swatch it, peach and light. Yung dalawang pieces ng concealer na to is considered mini size. Anyways, so first up, we are going to put peach. One dot lang kasi titingnan natin. Let's judge. Let's judge what will be the outcome with this. Okay. There's a good concealer to watch out for. Gosh. There's a good concealer to watch out for. Then, after peach corrector pa lang yan. Paano pa kaya if we are going to put the light? Actually, peach. Kanina peach. Ganda ng pagka-blend niya, guys. Okay, let's put on the light ones. Very konti lang kasi sobrang ano nito. Okay. Blendable siya and easy to ano siya. It covers everything. It covers all the cheese marks of the face with this one. So, final review ko dito. So, it covers everything. And, thumbs up ako dito. It gives you a beautiful base and, ayan, natatago lahat ng cheese marks ko. Why won't you get this affordable concealer by Ironeda? Yung mga affordable concealers ngayon, yan na yung pinaka in demand or pinaka maganda na in terms of quality and formula with that one. That's it for today's Vlogmas. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.